You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this verb, the different forms of the verb to steal in English. If you want to learn more irregular verbs pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. So it's irregular because you just don't add ed at the end to make the past tense. To steal. Steal. Now the past tense is stole. S-T-O-L-E is the spelling stole. Stolen is the past participle. Steal, stole, stolen. To steal, stole, stolen. Steal, stole, stolen. English pronunciation of the verb to steal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.